Hello, video blog number 2. I'm gonna show you around the top of the what's it called?
San Jacinto.
The San Jacinto Mountain. We've got our gigantic trees that grow up here in who knows what.
8,900 feet.
8,900 feet above the ground. And if you can't see it, but that is where we're living is down there, over there. And yeah. And this is what we've seen so far. We've been out on the edge there. And we are actually gonna roll a couple of snowballs down the hill. Down that hill. All the way down there.
I know, but this is nice with them.
So I'm gonna get Papa to hold the camera. I'm gonna make a snowball and
Where are you trying to go?
Where that kid's making stuff. Thank you.
I'm gonna roll it. Oh. The worst.
It dug in.
Worst.
Trash can in the picture? You don't want that. No trash can, no.
Oh, there we go. Go, 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 go. Go. Is it gone?
It's gone.
It's gone.